Hello everyone, today we have a 2021 Honda Civic Type R Touring with front wheel drive. And that is running smooth as could be. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. Just have the scoop in the hood, obviously. Fog lights up front. Love the styling on this. Oh, and those LED headlight surrounds don't really flicker to the human eye. That's the refresh rate of the camera that's doing that. So it does have Brembo brakes. Painted alloy wheels. Tri-exhaust. There's a sneak peek of the interior. And you see they did an excellent job with the styling there on the back. The detail on this car is fabulous. Okay. These are sport fabric seats. And these front seats are ridiculously comfortable. There's your VIN right there, and I will upload some still photos as well, as I know I go through this fairly quickly. They have a carbon fiber look to the styling across the dash and in the doors. Okay. As you look down here, you'll see that it only has 5,297 miles on this vehicle. There we go. Okay. And then here's your push to talk and your trip computer. See that? Now you can control also your stereo there. The interfaces are excellent on this vehicle. It does have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And then here's your cruise control. Push button start. And this is a 6-speed. So here's your stick. And your pedals down there. Okay, and then there's your various modes for driving. And you can see that you can take it to R+, Sport, Comfort. Let's just leave it in Sport. Okay, and as you come down, you've got your cup holders, key fob, and that'll slide back like that, and the armrest can slide forward. Glove compartment. As we come over here, your navigation has a very fast computer in it. Okay, for our audio, see that right now it's on AM, FM, and we already went over the source list. So you can view the text there. There's how you turn it on and off. And then we bounce back home. And there's your other information. And let's see it pop up for driving, trip computer, and such. Okay. Then we go down here for comfort controls. Then you keep coming down, and here's a charging station right here. And that about wraps it up for the inside of this Civic. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact that affected the front center and then the rear center. The airbag is not deployed. There's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.